G'day Dodgers, and welcome back to the shit fight that is my shed. Over the last few weeks I've made some videos, well actually over the last few months I've made some videos and put them up, and you've seen some different clutter in the background and stuff like that. I've had to move stuff around so that I can set my saws up and use them so I can do the videos. So I've gone through slowly in the process over time. I've put that shelving in and put that rack up there, and I've made my cabinets here and set up all my storage underneath, my fishing rod rack over in the corner, and got a new cabinet to put my saw on. But I need to make more room. So I've gone and bought a set of more racks, same as that system there, to rack all this stuff out and be able to better space my stuff around and make better positions for everything. The plan is to build this, have it on this wall here with all this stuff stored away nice and neatly, and have the the workshop space set up along that wall, which is out of frame, which will have my workbench, drop saw. There's another stand, my toolbox over in the corner there, and also I have a table saw from Heron Forbes on order, which hopefully should come out of China sometime this year. We should see it by January, I think, is what I've been told as the drop off there. So I'll have all that stuff all tidied up, and that way I'll be able to also keep the sawdust away from my stuff, as you've seen in some of my previous videos, and a tech tip video where I forgot to grab Mum's Dyson. So we'll get those things sorted out, have a bit of a dust extraction system sorted out as well. So new plan coming forward is to get that done. As part of this rack, I'll also have a cabinet set up, which will be all relatively dust proof. This new baby has arrived in the last couple of days. I've bought a 3D printer to start doing some prototyping and add a little bit of different things to some of the models and bits and pieces that I'm building, plus props to some of my photography stuff. So you'll see a lot more going on in the near future, and hopefully we'll get that sorted. So there will be a video coming up in the next couple of days, maybe a week, on the unboxing of this and building of this. You'll see some updated photos and videos of this rack system in its new position, with all the benches and such moved around. One of the things I will be doing with this bench in the long run will be making it so I can wheel it around. I'm going to modify it so that I can fit casters on it and have it so I can wheel around the workshop, even wheel outside onto the driveway to give me some more room to work on. The cabinet here for the saw is already on casters, and the new table saw will also be on casters, so that can be moved around depending on where I need it and how much room I need to work on it. So it's all coming together slowly, and getting a little bit more productive in here as we sort of open up more space. So hopefully we can get some more projects going and more exciting stuff, some new stuff going, and yeah, have a bit more fun around the place. So stay safe for now, and we will see you on the next video.